One of the things though that came out of that journey was that we felt that we needed to connect it to a whakatauki, and the whakatauki that we chose, no te tai tokerau, was he Toka Tūmoana, ākina nā ngā tai. And what that really highlighted was, just to be able to, because we'd done all that previous work in gathering together, from external places and also internally inside the organisation, wānanga around what would be the principles that would guide us in our practice. We finally came up with a whakatauki that also reflected the importance of, those values.
Yeah, so if I think about that whakatauki, it's really referring to Toka Tūmoana, so te toka, a rock, Tūmoana in the ocean that is, it stands strong and it doesn't move no matter what the forces of the waves around it and so on. It stands true as a point, a reference mark for navigation, I guess.
The reality of it is that that's what it's done. Since that time after the 2.5 year journey, even with the changes from child, youth and family to Oranga, Tamariki, it has been one of the relics in some ways that has maintained its integrity in that space, because it was owned by not just us, it was owned by whānau, both inside and outside the tari.